Guys, check out this generator holder that I built. It's really cool. It keeps all the noise back here so you don't really hear it. And most importantly, it keeps the deck clear inside the boat so I'm not moving it around. Check out how we did it. All right, guys, I want to kind of give you an overview of what it is. So the reason I built this is when this is sitting on the deck, a little water comes up. And in all reality, some, if I'm pushing, does still come up. So I think the fix to that is going to be a piece of clear plastic or eisen glass that'll hang here, and that'll prevent any water from getting up to it. The whole reason for building this is to get this off the back deck in the boat and to get it behind this wall so it's quieter. Here's the exhaust, so it's blowing out clearly. The exhaust is blowing out that way. We got it to where we can start from here. Really good setup. This was designed to hold the extended tank, which is really cool. All of this is just held with some straps. I go over the top through here, down around, and it straps in really nicely. And I'll probably get one of those bike locks to go around this to this, so that if I'm away from the boat, I don't have to worry about it. Also, people sat on it. I've had a couple people sat on it. And this material, though I've got a piece to replace it, I want it down angled wise a little bit more. And it does bow a little bit in the heat of the sun. So I actually ordered a large cutting board instead of starboard, which is so expensive, but a cutting board will do the same thing. And if you're out fishing, we use it as a cutting station. So this thing is really cool. I really like it. Just like I said, a little piece of isinglass will close this side, and I'll show you some of the techniques in doing it. So I'd been thinking about building this for a very long time, but still you need to get the generator up there and how to look at it and make sure that it's kind of the way that you want it. The biggest thing there was to get it up high enough. So what I got here is a Ryobi battery cutoff tool, which works really good on stainless steel. It took me a while making cuts, going back and forth to make sure that I got the height right, which is what you see there. The next thing that I had to do is run a piece of steel back to the back side or transom of the boat. And so that's the pipe I've got there. So let me show you how I figured out how I would bend it in order to get it at the right angle. So guys, what I came up with to bend this a little bit, you can see this angle, is to put it in here. It's heavy enough. I've got this marked where the major bends are, and we'll see if I can duplicate that bend. So this is my zero-turn mower. I use it to farm, and that hole there that I'm gonna stick it in, it's kind of like a built-in Reese hitch. Some people use it. There's an attachment you can buy, and it holds a trash can. But the mower was heavy enough that I was able to bend it, and I used the one that I'd already bent. I'm just trying to get two of them the same. The reason that I'm having to bend it is the bow of the boat is different than the back deck. The angle I'm talking about, notice how the back of the boat goes up. This was really the hardest part of the whole build, but it actually is just a matter of cutting your pipes, putting these 90s and the T's on them. But other than that, it's not that hard. So here again is the finished product. By the way, you can buy that PVC, the white pieces, at any Home Depot, any Lowe's, and you can order the feet, the stainless steel parts, all on Amazon or multiple sites. I recommend using 1 inch, but 7/8 would probably work well. If you have any questions, y'all leave me a comment and I'll try to answer them. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, see more like it. See you soon.